Hey everyone, Kevin with Dex here. Dex is a personal CRM that brings together all your relationships in one place. And today I'm excited to share two-way contact sync. Put simply, if you make changes to contacts on your phone, they'll flow into Dex. And if you make changes in Dex, they'll flow into your phone. In this video, I'll go through how it works and also how to get started. Dex can sync both ways with the CardDAV protocol, supported on iOS and other devices, so that when you change or update or delete a contact on your device, Dex will get updated, and vice versa. On Dex, if you delete, change, or update a contact, your connected devices will have updated contacts as well. Before you actually start two-way contact sync, you'll want to do a couple of things. First, you want to clean up your duplicates in Dex if you have any, and you'll want to add all the contacts in Dex first. So that means connecting your LinkedIn account or Instagram account or iMessage account so that Dex becomes a source of truth for your contacts. And once Dex is cleaned up and consolidated, then you can actually decide which devices you want to sync into Dex. We've taken the time to build two-way contact sync in a way that is fairly robust, so we'll support most fields and profile pictures, etc. But there are some notable exceptions. We don't support multiple websites for each contact, and we don't yet support custom fields as well. You can stop syncing anytime in your connected devices simply by removing the Dex CardDAV account, and any changes that you make to contacts on your device, you have to make sure that you change the contact record associated with the correct CardDAV account for those changes to be synced into Dex. All right, with that, let me show you how to get started with two-way contact sync on your device. In this video, I'll use an iPhone as an. Here's how you get set up with two-way contact sync on an iPhone or iOS device. What I'm first going to do is open up the settings page, and I'm going to do that by clicking the menu in the bottom right corner, clicking settings, and then clicking sync and integrations. After that, I'm going to go ahead and open up the two-way contact sync option, and here I'll see instructions for the iPhone. With the contact sync panel here, you can just follow the instructions that we've listed. So here, where it says open system settings, we have a button that will lead you directly to the system settings. And if you scroll down in system settings, you can go ahead and open up apps, search for the contacts app. And with the contacts app open, you can add a contacts account, which is what we need for CardDAV. If you click add account and then click other, next, you'll want to click Add CardDAV account under Contacts. And then here, you'll have a couple fields that you can fill in with the information from the phone app. So server, username, password, and description. So from here, what I'm going to go ahead and do is open up the instructions and information here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the server and the username. So paste the username in first. And then I'll go ahead and copy the server. And then I'll go ahead and also copy the password. And then here, I'll go ahead and name this as just Dex Contacts account. You can name it whatever you like here, and then click Next. And after you do this, it'll take roughly 15 minutes to an hour to get your first contacts inside of your phone. And with that, you'll be able to make changes to the contacts on your phone. There is one more step that is important, however, which is if you click back and you go into the contacts app settings, you'll have an option for default account here, and you'll want to actually change that to the contacts account that you added. This way, when you add an account, add a contact, and you want them to directly get added into Dex, the changes are being made to the Dex contacts account by default. And so those changes will flow in a bidirectional manner. What this looks like when this is all done is if you open up the Contacts app and if you open up all Dex Contacts account or whatever you named your account, for any of these contacts here in your phone, you'll have profile images, you'll have titles, you'll have any information that you added in Dex here. And if you make any changes, they'll flow back into Dex as well. This feature has been something that many of you have been asking for, and thank you for your patience as we work to make two-way contact sync reliable and robust. I hope this feature is useful for you, and if you have any feedback, questions, or concerns, please let us know. Thanks for watching.